Now let us see what a stateful widget is. For that, we can add questions as a list. Then we can set it as changing questions at the click of a button. var questions. First question. What is your favorite color? Next, what is your favorite food? Questions can be displayed here. The questions can be displayed using the .element@index function. When index 1 is given, the question in the second position is displayed. Another way is by using a square bracket. When index 0 is given, the first question is displayed. Now let's see how the question changes one by one when the button is clicked. Let us declare a question index variable above equal to 0. Now inside our onPressed function we can give the index equals index plus 1. Then we can put those variable questions inside. Let us print it in the function. Clicked once. The question did not change. The index value is printed here and increment. But the question does not change. For that we need to use the stateful widget. Replace stateless widget and use stateful widget. Stateful widget is a class in material.dart. That alone is not enough to add another class. It works as a combination of two classes. Give the old class another class name. Class myAppState extends state. State is a generic class. Here is the first part of giving connection between two classes. Call our myApp class as generic type. Call the createState function as the second part. Create state list and select it and press enter. Give myAppState class as its return. Now we need to do the index increment inside of our function. We wrap this in a setState function. setState is a method that is provided by the state class, which we inherited. Press the button and change the question to the next question. An out-of-range error occurred while pressing again. Because there are only 2 questions in the question list. We can solve this problem by making small changes in the logic. Let's cut the questions list and put all the classes on top. Let us check by giving an if condition inside our function. After the last index number, we can set the index to 0. Now the error has changed and rotated and the question is displayed from the beginning.